calculation is surprisingly simple. Just like how you can make a coffee, you can follow a proven simple recipe for wealth building also. We call it the wealth creation formula. We have financial expert Mr. Hariharan with us. Mr. Hariharan, could you please explain and enlighten us on the wealth creation formula?
We have all learned this in school. This is the formula of that compound interest. And if you look at the formula, you will find that there are many variables in this formula. Okay, so A stands for what is the money that you want in the future. P stands for your amount that you're investing today. R stands for the rate of return that you can get on your investment. And T stands for the time period. Now, whenever we discuss investments, the first and the foremost question people ask is, hey, how much returns will I get? So people are focused on the return part of it. And when you invest in mutual funds, SIPs, the return is a function of how the economy works, how the markets work. It's in nobody's control. But we know for sure that over long periods of time, in equities and mutual funds, that R will come. And that will be the best across all the asset classes. What people ignore is the T, which is a time period, and that's an exponential factor. But that is in your control as an investor. You can decide, do I want to invest for 5 years, 10 years, 30 years? The more you invest, more is the compounding. P is also in your control. How much you want to invest? You want to invest 5,000 rupees or 20,000 rupees? So focus on things which you have a control on. Ignore what you don't have a control on. That R will come. In India, it will come, and it will come in the best way in equities only. No other asset class will be able to generate R better than equities in India. So use this formula, focus on the T part, focus on the P part, ignore the R part. Right?
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now. Bye.